So in the previous video, I showed how to put these things into the correct order. In this video, I'm going to focus on just one example of typing a paragraph in which you explain in your own words what the article was about. And it says, be sure to describe the overall purpose of the article, the types of evidence the research is in it, and examples. So I had to read this article that I had gotten from EBSCOhost, which was a teacher's right to remain silent, reasonable accommodation of negative speech rights in the classroom. And so it was a very long article. It was about 37 pages long. I read most of it, and coming back from it, I wrote one paragraph, and this is my paragraph. So I started in this article. Baker, writing for Brigham Young University Law Review, reasons that the First Amendment of the Constitution is unclear when it comes to whether or not teachers can refuse to teach or be silent when their moral or religious beliefs disagree with the contents of the curriculum. So let's say I disagreed with what was in the curriculum. He says it's not clear legally what a teacher can and cannot do at that case. So then I go into more detail of what he specifically says. He says Baker reasons that teachers should have the right to remain silent, or that schools should have protocols in place for teachers to in such an event. So then this is the type of evidence that he used. He talked about the case law of like Pickering and then Tinker versus Des Moines, which are Supreme Court cases. And then I also kind of add my own analysis because there's a lot of bad ways that this could go, where basically if a teacher signed up to teach science and then they don't want to teach science because it disagrees with some religious belief they supposedly behold, it would allow that teacher to like basically refuse to teach that concept. And there's a lot of different directions and bad things that could happen. But nonetheless, what you have here, this is my paragraph in which I give the overall purpose. I present evidence from the article, and I also kind of summarize the analysis of the article. And lo and behold, this is an article that actually expresses an opinion that is different than what I believe in the research and the reasoning that I hold. And it's okay to have articles that contradict or go against your previously held beliefs. Um, in any case, too, it gave me some idea of what, if somebody was arguing against me about what they're thinking and the type of laws that they would be thinking of and how they would discuss those. So being able to see the other side is important in writing this kind of research and doing an expose. So that is how you pretty much do a paragraph. And when I do my next part, I'll obviously read protecting public schools, teachers' rights to free speech. And basically, I would spend a paragraph just describing, what was the overall purpose of the article, what kind of evidence was presented, and also maybe my own flair on it. But that is really how you take care of that. So there you go.